You bet Kyerematen di agro ye MPP you bet Kyerematen.
Oh.
What on the bush on ya?
Afedi more than no man man.
Me, mami catch mani papa. Kyerematen di agro the new patriotic party no you bet Kyerematen from the one. O join MPP na adie bia wonya wo MPP no ndano wo ket Kyerematen na we actually on hunu we actually papa say ono omo betuma gu MPP there masa omo boa so me
party
omo tre no nyina omo di omo CV call say NDC for mo agima
to boase beba why train na di ni CV call send this for mo agima
Kyerematen anungwasie bema we osori ye gara yankoti Kyerematen di ni CV enye so obi wo on fera de obi adungwasie be kan say wo the former trade minister 2 times trade minister under Kufuor and under His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. You were served as a cabinet minister because of Ahonya, because of jealousy, the high level of jealousy. Who sorry there? Who sorry? Who did we see? We call NDC form Emma
Dabe.
NDC form few.
Dabe.
What I may say, me na me catch out. Kyerematen no piajima wa NDC mu no mo pam no. Omo man ajima na say the $10,000, the 5 we en for unkoshi.
Na Alaji Kyerematen na o kana sem no ye friend Alan Cash sika bon ho se bibi no na akokete na Alan Cash $10,000 what the day
me see oya Alan Cash no by the time where Alan Cash Kufuor kutalo to say the bar as a minister of trade and industry as ambassador to Ghana ambassador to USC Akufo-Addo so buy Osamanu 7 good years as a minister no. But that time no more friend of Alan Cash under the new patriotic party. But under Alpha Franco there, you better Alan say Alan confused.
Radio XYZ.
Alan confused. Alan Cash by on him cash. Where better buy your cash one. Uncle Benya Cash. Uncle one ko election no na chada ko bitino. No nipa chada me Alhaji Masaudu me to honum no. Me chada be call election. Me chada be call election Ghana ha. Chada be tiba beat me. Me Alhaji Masaudu, the national third vice chairman of the new patriotic
movement for change has now become a party, united party. Your quick thought in 30 seconds. So
first and foremost, I think the movement for change, the name chosen is problematic because the tradition of the NPP is out of the united party. Members of the new party will first even test it in court to find out whether that name.
You're going to court over this?
Of course, it is a very good case to test to see whether that name is will even.
Abusuya Alan Cash, ena kyerese ne ho akyere no saa no. Ne nyina no movement for change is an also no United Party UP. Now onim say United Party no party register even though say you dissolve na ya come dia babe MPP no. Party no ka ho na ebenya MPP UP on na dombo ni yi da kwalo no mo ka bo mu a they be the new patriotic party so we say this year no so be fast adin na ko ete say o pese o di party no mfa na party no krovata ba ko e ka ho ma ete party no na so o pese wo yi frame no nti MPP for any abre papa MPP for no any abre am which is say na nema ko ne the best option ne say omo de Buga e be court e be mo so kra say embo ni dua omo so mbo ni dua mbo ni dua because entimi nkoba say we use UP edin a onim say and the MPP din no e da akoye we what I say And you know, what I can say is Alan Cash is not a serious politician. Yes. From Movement for Change to UP. What is the game point? As a serious politician, you will not be doing this. I'm telling you. Alan Cash is not a serious politician. And in his mind, he thinks he's doing something important. The truth is, he's just wasting his time. Because he's not going to win any election with this 2x4 political party being our team. He's not going to win him anything. I will just stop wasting my time on all these stuff. Because there is no serious person that will be following those that UFPO say one at the United Party. On serious people, ungrateful people, party no United Party. Ungrateful people, any unserious people. And what no come no some UP. Unserious and ungrateful people. What do I say? Unserious and ungrateful people. Any I can't bomb some UP. Na mujimi wa mine mu. Na cash na kasa de. Me need pa want to be a politician because he has no leadership qualities. He always behaves like a child. Meaning that even the control no. He behaves like a child. And very sad, bro. It is very sad. It is very sad. Sam George, I and Adrian say, Obemeji, Telecel, any Eltel Tigo abom. Now, Kai say Eltel Tigo, Ghana dia. Eltel Tigo, Ghana dia. Now, Obekaya na Telecel, near the Vodafone. And some Telecel for Ebatono, near the Vodafone. A Telecel for Neba no share, boss say, invested $500 million into Telecel. Many workers say, Omunya invested up to $10 million in po. Entiana mind their Telecel network no, Ayabuachi bidding. Now, Eltel Tigo, 3 million subscribers. Ghana Hanum say, with workers of 500, they move 300, permanent workers, 200 na can on contracts. Many workers say, Sam George, I knew so I didn't want this name so person Meji Telecel near Eltel Tigo ni boom no. Say Baswa, over 200 workers on your contract workers no, so majuma because on my wife to contract, terminating on contract no. Now, Telecel company never hold on the milk say no. Edeka over $50 million. Eltel Tigo Edeka $15 million. Nebane saying, and our magic company on Odeka $50 million. Oma company Odeka $50 million no on no coffers and company the say. Wabra company from Rectron investment. I am doing so may invest $1 billion into a Eltel Tigo. Me no say no according to researcher, ya no say 200 million I ready ya. Omo person may invest, but the problem here is that Sam George say Rectron company no, is our investment company no. Omo enye a year communication experts and also communication company. But this company no, communication company ya. Omo Ghana hanum say, omo de kofa a year MTN for the bag the buy. But Sam George say obimasa contract no and investment no akọ through enunti opesa oyano meji Eltel Tigo ni Telecel ebom. The question we are asking ne say so we meji Eltel Tigo any Telecel bomwa. Ebe ha adwin because Telecel na kasa network papa. And Eltel Tigo no so network papa. Enunti so ko meji sa companies we menu bomwa ebe ye west. Internet na o ma Rectron company no and may invest $1 billion no into a year Eltel Tigo no. Na Eltel Tigo no entimi enya 4G. Na no ntimi njane na so dan say ba ko meji any Telecel na kasa no. Customers or Telecel be dey say Telecel network na kasa nye. Me so timi band wo Telecel so. Now data so you say you are a kind of saying offline. Telecel o network is so full po 4G. Na tell say offline. Sa company na person no ekofa Eltel Tigo be na ase ana. Ka ka sa MTN mpo an ka enya ya because MTN network mpo dey papa. But Telecel la Eltel Tigo crowd subscribers in Telecel. Because Telecel subscribers and do 3 million. Eltel Tigo subscribers 3 million. So the question we are asking Sam George say, what is his game point from all this year merge no person merge Telecel and Airtel Tigo together because Sam George Nankasa Ekayo on April this year say Airtel Tigo Telecel afeli tell what they told ya.
Before Telecel came into Ghana, there were conditions that were supposed to have been met. Those conditions were not enforced by my predecessor and by the previous government. There was critical investment that ought to have been put in the network, was not done.
Sam George Editubia or say Telecel afeli what's your most share some come bet me ama Telecel na abegina mo ntimi anye. So eba saying a failed a year communication network no omo no any another communication network omo no so no omo de ka omo try so bet me free mu no akwa meji abom we e questioner obia ebusa someone at George minister ema eye communication totalization and innovation question obia ebusa no say then obegani say emeji Telecel any Airtel Tigo ebomwa